Hello viewers, this is Decagon Maths and welcome to my channel. Today's video is another lesson on Jamb mathematics past questions. If this is your first time of watching this lesson under this topic coordinate geometry, please ensure you click on the link in the description so that you can watch other videos that I have made on this topic coordinate geometry. And before we dive into today's question, let's go on a short break and we'll be right back. Welcome back. Now let's look into the question. The question says that find the distance between the point Q, whose coordinate is 4, 3, and the point common to the line 2x minus y equals to 4 and x plus y equals to 2. Now we are given this point Q, which is 4, 3. Then you have to find the distance between another point, which is a point of intersection between these two lines. So let's say that, let's call that point R, right? With what coordinate? We don't know the coordinate. So let's say it's what coordinate x, y, right? We don't know. So this point is the intersection between these two lines. Now, how do we get the intersection between any two lines? It is by solving those two equations of two lines simultaneously. That means we are going to solve 2x minus y equals to 4 and x plus y equals to 2. We solve them simultaneously, then we obtain the value for x and y. As you know, that's what represents the coordinates of R. Then we will use the distance formula to calculate the distance between these 2 points, and that is all. So let's solve these two equations simultaneously. So we have 2x minus y equals to 4, right? Let's make y the solid of the formula here. So we have that 2x minus 4 equals to y. Let's call that equation 1. And then let's take the second equation, which is x plus y equals to 2. Let's make y the subject of the formula in this also. Then we have that y equals to 2 minus x. And that is equation 2, right? Now we are going to equate 1 and 2 because they are both values of y, right? They both equals to y. Let's say it that way. So that means we write that 2x minus 4 is equal to 2 minus x, right? The next thing we do is to collect like terms, right? We solve for the value of x. 2 minus x, then we have plus x equals to 2 plus 4. So when we collect like terms, this is what we have, right? Alright, then 2x plus x gives 3x. We have 3x equals to 2 plus 4 gives 6. Then we divide both sides by 3, right? So when we divide both sides by 3, we get the value of x. Then we have that x is equal to 2. So we've gotten the value of x to be 2, right? Now the next thing we do is to put this value of x into one of these equations, either 1 or 2, but I want to make use of equation 2, right? So we have that y equals to 2 minus x, that is equation 2, right? Remember? So we have that y equals to 2 minus 2, which equals to 0, right? Y equals to 0 since x is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0, right? So that means the coordinate of R is now x is 2 and y is 0, right? So that means we can now fix the coordinate of R here as x is 2 and y is 0, right? So I'm going to find the coordinate the distance between these 2 points, which is Q and R, and that will give us the distance that we have to find. So let us do that. So the distance formula is that we have d equals to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus we have y2 minus y1 squared. So this is the distance formula between 2 points, right? 2 points on a straight line. This is the distance formula. So we have that in this case our x1 is equal to 4, right? Our x2 is equal to 2. Our y1 is equal to 3. And y2 is equal to 0, right? Now let's fix it in this. Then we have that our distance is now the square root of x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is 4, 12 plus y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is 3 squared, right? So our distance is equal to, we have 2 minus 4 is minus 2, right? We have minus 2 squared plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3 squared, right? So we have that b is equal to the square root minus 2 raised to power 2 gives 4, right? We have 4 plus minus 3 raised to power 2 gives 9. So we have that b equals to the square root of 13, and that is the distance. So let's check for our answer. So the correct answer is D, right? Alright, so thank you for staying through, guys. Ensure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment. See you next time. Goodbye.